Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial, how to 3D print using ToyBox printer. First, open the ToyBox application if you are using iPads or go to the web interface version if you are on desktop computer. I'm assuming you have a ToyBox account and have configured your ToyBox printer. If not, please watch the tutorial for how to set up your ToyBox account and how to configure ToyBox 3D printer. Next, you will need to log in with your account provided to you by your teacher or instructor. Now, ToyBox comes with a library of 3D design ready to print. Everything from S.P.I.D.E.R to Taj Mahal. For this tutorial, I am selecting the S.P.I.D.E.R. We select by clicking, or we can type S.P.I.D.E.R S.P.I.D.E.R in the search toolbar. When selecting a 3D print, it is important to consider the print time. Each design indicates the print time. Here you can see the S.P.I.D.E.R is 3 minutes. This is an ideal print time for classroom work. Now let's click on the Print Me button. If the printer is connected, you should hear the printer is start up and begin to heating to 210 degrees Celsius. If the printer does not connect, you need to reconfigure the printer. We have a full tutorial on configuring the ToyBox printer and troubleshooting the ToyBox printer. Now let's go get our S.P.I.D.E.R print. Is that cool? In this lesson, you have learned how to search and select from ToyBox library of 3D models and print it. Thanks for watching.